got this one from Ella Garcia. I've been trying for weeks to get an H-1B visa stamping in Mumbai for December. However, each time I log in, no slots are available. If I log in repeatedly or check locations within the same login, and it's continuing, I get locked out for 24 hours. Any success stories or tips for securing an appointment? Best times to check or consulate specific advice.
Um, no, I don't really have advice other than you have to just continue checking. But I know um, that it'll lock you out if you continuously check also. Um, Hopefully you are eligible for lockbox. So if it's an extension, uh, or if you've been on a different visa, then you could be eligible for um, Dropbox. So in which case then you don't need a uh, appointment, but you also need an appointment for Dropbox. So yeah, I don't know what advice to give you. I don't. In India, it's backlogged. So the only advice I could give you is maybe try Canada or Mexico for an appointment and see if that works. Especially if you're in the US, you should be. Is this person in the US or in India?
Mm,
Doesn't say, right?
has not mentioned it. Mhm.
Okay. So yeah, if you're in the US, then that would be the advice. Go to uh, um, a country that is has availability. Otherwise, you just have to keep trying your luck.
Okay. So, okay, he's asking about visa stamping in Mumbai, so he must be in Mumbai.
In Mumbai, then yeah, yeah.
Hmm. All right. Um,
I mean, there are people who use consultants, but that's not legally allowed by the consulate. But unfortunately, it also takes up a lot of these numbers. What these consultants do is they go online and block appointments and then they sell them. And so, genuine people
okay.
who need appointments, they're not available. And the consulate has been trying to identify this and to stop it, but I don't think they've been completely successful.
Okay.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H-1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.